Hi, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Dream Zone YouTube channel. So in this video, we completely discuss about the Dream Zone indicator settings, how it works, what are the concept it involves, and where to take the trades, where to avoid the trades. Okay, these are all things we can discuss about in this video. Let's come to directly into the indicator sections. So indicators is based on it will draw the zones based on the previous session volatility, liquidity concept, and based on fib also. So these three things are already included, and some SNC constants also included. So based on this, the drones will be drawn automatically from the day starting when market opens. It means if, for Nifty, it will open 9:50 morning and till 3:30. Okay, it will be never repind. It will does not move when market goes over higher and lower low. It will be constant throughout the session. Okay, let's come to the settings. So setting interspace is very good for I mean free to beginners. Okay, first of all, I think I have one thing, 1 minute, I will off this one. So okay, so when open the setting of the dim zone indicator, okay, the input section, it has so many settings, so many icons, so many settings is there. First one is first setting is display mode. So in this display mode, I think zones is there, zones, lines, and both. So the three sorry, customization is there. If you click on lines, it will show the lines. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, see here. Okay, okay, it shows the lines, it shows the lines. Okay, so when you click on both dry line zones, and the mid of the zone is there na. So in the mid of the zone, the one line is called, it is a lines, mid of the one line will draw. So better for better entries, I am always suggestion to use the zones only. Okay, this is the first display mode settings. And number of pairs is there na. So this is number of pairs means one time too much of 800 points, 900 points, it give the gap down or gap up happens. So in that time, what will happen. So if a 900 rupees gap, it will come here. There is no zones for these things. Previously, I think 33 pairs of default setting is there for previous indicator. So I reduced that one to clear chart. So if see, 5 is enough, because 5 means market open above the zone, above the candle means 5 zones are draw, below the means 5 zones are draw. It is enough for 5. If you keeping 5 is in default setting means it's enough. So if you market opens here, if there is no zones, so that time you can get shift to these things. If 4 or 5 is there na, you can shift to 10, 20 like this. See there, it will draw. So it's only usable when big gap up or big gap down. So otherwise you get 5 is enough. Okay, let's come to the zone setting. And dream zone indicator has dream zone 1 and dream zone 2. So both setting are same, there is no change. If you want, I think, two time frame zone, it means if you want 1 day time frame also, or weekly time frame also, or 1 day time frame, or 4 hours time frame, or 1 day time frame combined with other, one time frame combined with other, then only you can use the dream zone 2. Otherwise one is okay. See here, one is okay. In default setting, I added as a 2 hour to 4 hour, 6 hour, 8 hour, 12 hour, week, month, 3 hours. So 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months up to 1 year. These are all these are all the zones. If you click on week zones, it will draw the week. So you see here, if it touch the market today market, it will touching the weekly zone and it's coming down. Okay, but and monthly zone, if you keep monthly zone means, see here, monthly zone. Okay, so these are this 1 month, these things are will good for stocks also. Well, now I am not suggesting any stock, but I am saying it will work good for stocks. Okay, 1 day time frame. Okay, I am better to say use for all beginners. Use I am saying to use only 1 day time frame. We can use if you have better price action knowledge and better knowledge about the experience about the trading means you can use 4 hours for scalping also. It is working good only. But I am not suggesting anyone to use lower time frame. I mean 2 hours and 4 hours. Okay, I am saying to only use the 1 day time frame only. And then next setting is okay, keep zones. Is keep zones, it means if you can backtest up to 100 or on 150 days zones. If you keep here means if we type input given as 100 means it will show previous here show previous 100 days or 150 days. See here, up to 100 as 150 days it will show. You can easily backtest the how it will zones work. Zone is working good only, but I am saying to you because okay, see here, see here, see here, see here, 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 okay, here, okay. Because why I'm suggesting the zones is good means it will avoid completely, it will avoid the over trading for beginners. So if you're using EM is so much of crossovers. Crossover means you can take one more EM one time crossover. You can take one trade SL it other 2 times. It will be more. It will be cause of more over trading. So the zones will totally avoid the over trading. So take the trade at the zone, keep the SL. I will upcome. So later on I will discuss about that how we will because to take the how we to take the trades and all. Just I'm saying how it zones indicator was okay. This thing you can backtest. Not only this is working for 1 day backtesting. You can use the weekly backtesting also. 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours, 12 hours, and 1 month, 1 year, up to 10 years. It will for if you are using on sorry 1 year 1 year time frame is up to 10 years. It will show the data, previous source data. You can easily use everything for stocks, whatever you want, swing trade, positional trade, everything you can use. Okay, so for clear chart I will use only three is enough for me. 3 days chart. Oh, these are setting for if we keep the linear lines. Okay, if you use the lines means you can settings will come. This lines line style and line width. I don't want that. Zones is better. Okay, these are the same thing, same setting. If you want to two time frame is here, one time then two time frame. For confirmation we can use the two time frame for better use in 1 day and 1 week. Okay, it's okay. I will take that one. And so many people are asking. I think so many people are free basic free version of TradingView. In that, and the two indicators are only available to use. So for that only, I am adding three two indicator. One is EMA, and in one EMA in EMA three EMS are adding. It 3 EMS are at 20 50. You can default, you can select anything. Okay, not only 20 50 and 200. You can give the input of 9 20 like that you can give. And Bollinger Band as a major part of the my zones with Bollinger Band working effectively. So that's why I'm adding Bollinger Band. Okay, if you click on Bollinger Band it will show. Okay, if you click on EMS, see here. Okay, so I am using EMS. I am using sorry Bollinger Band for better entries. So I don't want that midline is there na. I don't want midline. That thing is anti-kid. Okay, I don't want midline. So let's come to the trading. Okay, how to take the trade. So how to take the trade means I can suggest only retest it. One time zone test, don't take any trade. One time zone test means I will show. Wait, I will show that. One time zone. What is one time zone test? Wait, I will show. Okay, one time zone test means like this. This is retest, but one time means I will show that here. One time. Wait. Wait. Here. One time. So don't go for one time. So sorry. One time zone touch. Okay. If one time zone touch means you can don't trade anything. Just leave it that way. Okay. Wait for retest. Retest means or two time touch. Retest means here one time zone touch again zone touch. Take the trade here or here. This candle or this candle. SL below the this thing. Okay. And Bollinger Band also here. Okay, the confirmation one is for buying by call side or call option buy side. One is Bollinger Band low plus zone touch compulsory, because Bollinger Band also near the no, sorry, near the zone, and candle also touching the zone. So this type of entry. Okay, if see here is there, I don't want Bollinger also touching zone is here, I don't take any trade. Okay, like this. Okay, don't this is very good. And for call side or put side, call side trade, call side buy option trade, zone touch Bollinger Band. So in upcoming videos I will explain in Zoom meeting or Zoom meeting premium chart how we can trade, we can use this logic Bollinger Band low logic. Okay, completely I will explain these things. I share it in groups, this one. And here also check it. One time zone test, two time you can take here DSL. Okay, Bollinger Band is matching plus zone test, two time touch. Here also one time touch, two time here. Okay, confirm BB plus zone. This is today trade. Okay, live market trade. So like this sub trade, we can come to know previous trade. Okay, wait, previous day trades here. Okay, okay, here see that. So one condition you should always keep in your mind, when market in one direction trade, when market in one direction trade, okay, one direction trade, don't go for opposite trade. It means the market in put side or selling side trade. If one green candle comes, don't go for don't go for call side. Okay, if market is completely selling side, one green candle, all of you take entry here, because here SL, suddenly SL. That's why I'm saying one green candle does not enough to take the trade. We should not wait for the retrace or confirmation trade or two time zone touch. Okay, also Bollinger Band see here. Okay, Bollinger Band is also is there. Okay, too much a long distance for Bollinger Band. See here, here one time zone touch, second time is too much near to Bollinger Band, near to Bollinger Band. If you take trade means near to Bollinger Band was not okay, but you can take trade here or here. One SL will here, SL means 1 is to 1 SL, 1 is to 1 it will give. Okay, here because that much buying pressure here. See here, here why I'm selling side means it's a mid of the BB band. Mid of BB band is okay. Either here okay, either mid of the band is okay. Near the lower band of Bollinger Band, no sell side. Here no buy side. Okay, understood. So here zone test and retested, but here Bollinger Band is upper band is near. There is no sell side. Okay, there is no sell side. Okay, see here, one time, two time. Bollinger Band is also matching. Zone is also touching. You can go for this. Go for this. Like this trade you can take. Okay, this is my first video. Later on I will completely, I'm saying na, completely I will explain completely the logics behind the zone and how you can take the trades. Everything I will explain. See here. Huh? See here. See here. Here Bollinger Band lower band is there. Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band lower band means only buy side. There is no sell side. Here only buying, no selling. See here, one time, two time. So too much of zone, above the distance is more, and wait for this. We can bullish German lower, and here also lower, and take one trade here. Okay, here no trade. Here Bollinger Band is lower band is near, so no sell side. If confirmation gives also, don't go for, but if your risk you can take, I can say that. If you can go for entry means you, with your risk you can go. Okay, this is nifty. Okay, I can explain in gold also. Gold very zone is working very good. Okay, say gold. Okay, gold. Wait. Today trade. Today trade. Today trade. Okay. So most of all, this is they will think, I think one time zone touch, one time two times zone touch. Okay, and see here wicks or selling pressure. How much is there? Selling pressure. Selling pressure. Okay, if you think it's going okay, it's a better trade, you can give SL also. Sir, it's on touching and again retest, two time retest. Okay, by lower band is touching. Okay, one SL, give one SL, one SL, no problem. Okay, no problem for that. See here again, this is here also, see that. Okay, one, if you keep entries. Okay, here okay, here worst time, second time zone time, third time it's red candle, fourth time it's coming. Okay, zone we are the 15 minutes, how much? Okay, target. Okay, for aggressive trade you can take here. Bollinger Band also matching, zone is also matching. For aggressive trades can take these things, these trades, no problem. If you have better price action for beginner do avoid this trade. Wait for next trade, you can avoid, can wait for either here come, it will close here, go for sell, either come again it go back, either come, either one candle for go for buy side. With Bollinger also, that time Bollinger also should be near. So like this trade. Okay, so you can see here, you can see here, see here. Okay, okay, one time, two time. See entry. Bollinger Band is plus zone touch matching. One time, two time BB plus zone matching. Okay, can take aggressively, but don't avoid this one. The long candles come means completely avoid that trade. Okay. Okay. Then two trade is enough. See here. See here. Two trade is enough. See here, one time, two time trade. Okay. One time, two time trade. BB plus zone. So BB plus zone. Okay. BB plus zone. Okay. One time, two time it will long. Avoid this one. Here BB plus zone. So like this trade you can take. So upcoming is first, this is my first video, that's why I'm getting some fear about to explain something with some clarity. I'm not getting that much of clarity. Upcoming videos I'm saying completely with clarity, so with more logics. So avoid out avoid the completely more logic I can explain. So what logic should be used for to get more targets and more less sell like that. So upcoming videos completely I will explain about that today, completely about the indicator and some basics of entries to take, where to avoid the trade, where to take the entries. Upcoming days by EMA is also working good in this, so I can later on the videos I can completely explain about EMA, how to use the EMA with the zone. This is working perfectly. Sometimes it will getting little bit confusion, otherwise it will in a trending market the zone plus EMS are working better and better, because you already know that no indicator give and give the no indicator give 100% assurance for trades. Okay, it will be, I think, what I can say, some confidence or some support and resistance. So it will be, here should be rejection, here should be rejection, come here to it will be take towards support on resistance, like that. So many indicators are there, like that indicator, my indicator is working very good. I am not saying it 100% indicate 100% result it will give, but it will give. Because I think 1 week free trial is there. So many previously I give 30 days free or 20 to 30 days free trial for everyone. So for that I can reduce that trial period at 20 days, 7 week, 7 days. So those who want indicator free trial, just we can message me your indicator with my description. I will send I will post my I will give my number, WhatsApp number. Just you can send me your trading ID. Okay, complete 1 week free trial is there, so you can use for if you want, you can either you can continue, or you can either you can don't wish, you can don't take that indicator. So upcoming days I can use I can show that, give the better videos regarding gold and nifty. Okay, with I will upcoming days I can come to live also for gold and nifty also. Okay, thank you, thank you guys, thank you.